Hello, we have with us Dr. Shraddha Sharma, HOD English Language and Communication, Thadomal Shahani Center for Management, Mumbai. Ma'am, how are you liking this event? This is the first physical event post-pandemic, and what's your take from this event?
Yes, it's after lockdown, after 18 months, even I am witnessing such kind of physical interaction with people. So when this lockdown happened, and we have been, we have been locked in the screen, and everything went virtual. So the topics till now they have been discussing in the panels, the digitalization, digital citizens. So it's quite interesting. I'm liking it. I'm finding it interesting. I'm finding it. Some topics are new for me, and of course, which I am dealing with my students while teaching, and while teaching my teachers also. So I know some of the topics. Yes.
So, ma'am, for you, how is this online mode of education different from the physical? And according to you, what is the future of education in India and per se in the world?
So, uh, giving what it would be. No, talking about future, it would be so early. We cannot say anything. But of course, online teaching has become a part of our lives now. And whether everything will be open, schools will be open. Okay, whether schools will be open, colleges will be open, we will be working online. I know for sure. And it has changed the lives of teachers, students, for everybody. And the challenge is basically not only students are facing, teachers are also facing a lot of challenges. And teaching online is not a child's play. Everybody, every teacher has to be trained first before teaching the student, because online is something when you are teaching a student, you have to grab the attention of the student. So which doesn't happen in the physical class. In physical class, teachers are teaching and there is a physical contact. Okay, you are not listening. Come on, listen to me. Look at me. But here, in that camera, in that window, if a student is, making an eye contact, you never know that, there is a TV. Even in the laptop also, the student must have opened some other window and were making an eye contact. I would like to share with you one good example. So one of my student, he fixed his brain with my voice. Yes. So whenever because while teaching, I tell them, I'll call you only once. If you will not respond, I'll remove you from the session. So that student quietly, I didn't know anything that he has fixed. You can fix your brain with the voice. And there was a time when there was this activity, and there were 4 to 5 girls, they talked about him. And he didn't listen. I told him that there were so many compliments about you, gentlemen. Why didn't you react? That day I got to know that online teaching is not very easy. For me, he was listening, but for others, that means he was not listening to his classmates. So yes, online teaching is a part, and it's a challenge for the teachers a lot, because teachers are the one who are interacting, who are engaging the students, and teachers have to be trained in a way, in an innovative manner. There should be some idiosyncratic pedagogy. And as I am opting, in TSCFM, Thadomal Shahani Center for Management, we have been opting many such kind of activities. We have been training our faculties for this online teaching. We have been enabling. First, we have been enabling our faculties so that they can groom their students. First, we are grooming our teachers, as they have groomed me first. Now I am grooming my teachers. So yes.
Ma'am, what's your message to Adarcom Media, and what's your takeaway from this event?
Yeah, the discussions are fine, but it should be implemented. So my take is, what we are doing today, it should be implemented as soon as possible. And I am learning a lot. I'm listening to many people. I'm while listening, I can make it out that the challenges we have been dealing, every university, every college, and all the teachers are facing. It is not we, but how fast universities, colleges are dealing and implementing. That is the one thing. So discussing one thing and not implementing, not executing. So that's my message. Whatever we are discussing today, we know the point, we know the crux of the situation. So we should implement as soon as possible, because it's the matter of our future. The generation which is not going to the school or college, that is suffering. That is the future of that generation is in jeopardy. And we have to, being a teacher, it's our responsibility that we should understand that how we are critical in this role. We have to understand our responsibility, and we have to play a justified role.
Nice talking to you, ma'am. Thank you for having your presence in this
Thank
event.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pradip.
Thank you, ma'am.